Hi everyone, welcome to W Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to create a drop-down menu in a WordPress blog. As you can see, currently I don't have a drop-down menu in my website. So to create a drop-down menu, go to your dashboard, Appearance, click on the menus. Then select the primary menu from this drop-down. Now select all the pages, categories, posts or anything which you want to show as a drop-down menu. For example, I want to show all the categories under the blog page option as drop-down menu. So click on the categories, click on the view all. Now select all the categories which you want to show as drop-down menu. Then click add to menu. Now drag and drop all the categories under the blog page option. Then click save menu. Now go to your website and refresh this page. This time you will see your drop-down menu. This is the first level drop-down menu. Now let's say you want to create a second level drop-down menu. So to create a second level drop-down menu, go to the menus option again. For example, I want to show affiliate program under the AdSense option. So just drag and drop affiliate program inside this option. Then click save menu. Now go to your website and refresh this page. This time you will see affiliate program under the AdSense option. By the way, this depends on your theme. If your theme does not support the second level menu, then you won't be able to create the second level menu using this method. Now let's say you want to create a custom menu. So go to the menus option again. Click on the custom link. Now insert the text for the menu. And insert the link. And click add to menu. Then click save menu. And go to your website and refresh this page. This time you will see custom menu. And you can also create this menu as unclickable menu. For example, if you want to make this unclickable and if you want to add some clickable option inside this, then go to the menus, click on the start here, then remove this link. Now go to the custom link again and create few menus which you want to show under the start here option. After creating all the custom menu, just drag these two menus inside the start here option and click save changes. Now go to your website and refresh this page. This time you will see two custom menu which you created inside the start here option. And these two menus are clickable, but this is unclickable. If you will click on this, nothing will happen. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching the Louis Pocket.